Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. I'm very excited because today I have an unboxing, review, and tutorial of my new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine 2. I cannot wait to use it and show you what you can press with it. This time I'm going to be pressing iron on vinyl, sublimation, and also DTF printing to show you how it works. Let's unbox it. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 promises to be a game changer for all craft lovers. This upgraded version comes with fantastic features that will make your project easier and more professional. Easily customize the pressure to suit different materials and substrate with an adjustable range of 44 to 176 pounds. Perfect for any type of projects, with the capability to press objects up to 1.77 inches in height. The adjustable angle screen ensures comfortable use. With this new machine, you'll be able to press a wide range of designs, including sublimation prints, iron on vinyl, DTF designs, and more. It's a beautiful machine. I absolutely love the color and design. The sleek look not only makes it a functional tool, but also a stylish addition to any crafting space. I haven't used it yet, and I love it already. It's heavy, and I think its weight is a great advantage, as it helps prevent the machine from shifting while pressing your items. This stability ensures consistent pressure application, making it easier to achieve flawless results every time. I love the screen that it's on the top of the machine, and these ones are all the buttons, and it seems very easy to use. I'm going to show you how to use it in a little bit, but first we're going to connect the machine and turn it on. The working area is designed to minimize the risk of burns to your hands or arms. It is also easy to prepare your items before pressing. Now I'm going to show you how to set up time, temperature, and pressure. I love this new feature that this machine has because we can adjust the pressure according to the item or material that we're going to press. Press the temperature button and adjust the temperature using the minus or the plus symbol. Then press the time button and adjust it using the minus and plus symbol. Now, to adjust the pressure, you're going to press this button over here, the one on the bottom, and always using the minus and plus button, adjust the temperature according to the item that you're going to press. Now I'm going to let it preheat. These settings are to press iron on vinyl. Now this button over here is to save settings, so you don't have to be doing these changes every time you're going to press. If you press this button with the A, the machine is going to press automatically without pressing the R button. I'm going to show you. I just pressed it. Now slide it all the way in, and as you can see, it will automatically press without the need of pressing any button. Now I'm going to customize a t-shirt using iron-on vinyl. I'm going to press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with 50 pounds pressure. This is a cotton t-shirt that I'm going to customize with iron-on vinyl. I'm going to press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. If you would like to learn how to cut iron on vinyl, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. Now I'm going to clean the surface using a lint roller. And here is the design that I'm going to be pressing on this t-shirt. Glitter iron-on vinyl. We can press them one by one, or we can press them at the same time. But if we press all of these layers at the same time, we will need to cut around the design. so it's not one on top of the other one. I'm going to press these two first, and then the third layer is going to be at the end. I'm going to cut around the design. I will fold the design in half, so it will make it easy for me to align it on the t-shirt. Also, I like to use this ruler to align the designs. I'm going to link this ruler in the video description down below, along with all the supplies used in this tutorial. I'm going to place the collar outside of the working area so it doesn't interfere when pressing. I'm going to place a Teflon layer on top. You can also use butcher paper. I press the automatic button so I don't have to press the R button to press it. When finished, it will automatically lift up the press. This new press is very easy to use. Here are the first two layers already pressed. Now I'm going to remove this film to place the other layer, the one at the bottom. It pressed very good. Now we're going to place this layer over there. And I'm going to place the transparent film back so it doesn't damage the vinyl when pressing again. And let's see the final result. I'm going to remove the film when it's still hot. It pressed it very well. It's perfect. Our first press using the new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine number 2. You're gonna love it. Look, it looks beautiful. I pressed it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds and 50 pounds pressure. Did a great job. I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and press this sublimation printing. This one is going to be pressed in this pillowcase. And this is polyester. Since this is sublimation, we're going to change the settings. I'm going to press it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds, and I'm going to apply 70 pounds pressure. This is a polyester cushion pillowcase that I got from Temu. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. When pressing these designs, I like to leave the zipper at the bottom. Also, since this is sublimation, we're going to place a piece of butcher paper inside so it doesn't stain the back of the pillowcase. Now I'm going to press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then I'm going to clean it using a lint roller. Now I'm going to align the design and I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. Before pressing, let's make sure the zipper is at the bottom, and we're going to place a Teflon layer or a piece of butcher paper. It's a very beautiful design. I love the colors. And this is the second item, pressed with the new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine number 2. Look at those colors, very beautiful. I pressed it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds and 70 pounds pressure. If you would like to use any of these designs that I am using for this tutorial, I'm going to link them in the video description down below. This is free, you can download it from my blog, and this one is from Creative Fabrica. The one from Creative Fabrica doesn't have the text. I added this text, but I think it's beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the DTF design. I'm going to press it in this t-shirt. If you would like to learn how to print DTF designs, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and align the design on the t-shirt. I'm going to secure the design using heat-resistant tape. I'm going to press it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds and 70 pounds pressure. It did a great job pressing this design. The design looks beautiful. Now that I already showed you how to press on thin items, I'm going to press on a thicker item. I'm going to press a DTF design on this ceramic tile. And it's ready. Let's see how it turned out. I let this design cool down before removing the transparent film. It did a great job. Look. And this is the third design pressed with the new heat press. As you saw, we can press not only thin items but also thicker ones like this ceramic tile. Additionally, we can press wood or any item up to 4.5 centimeters or 1.7 inches. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial of the new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine number 2. And if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.